what I have found useful in all of my businesses is when I've made a decision that this is the message I want to share with the world. The message I want to share with the world is that great facilitation can help change the world. And I can get comfortable that I am going to help people in the most generous ways I possibly can, even if they'll never do business with me. What that does is it bubbles up the people who do want to do business with you, and you no longer need to convince them. So that is posting on LinkedIn and giving away your best secrets, sharing what you've got with the world on LinkedIn. It's making YouTube videos, it's sending newsletters, it's having free resources. And not from a place of, oh, this is a lead magnet, and if they take this free stuff, we'll be able to send them down a channel. But with a deep-centered knowing that if it's genuinely important that this message is in the world, then you share it freely, then the people who need to know what you're about will be drawn to that. And so that's the principle of deliberate generosity, right? And not only do you get to make an impact, but you start to get known for knowing something. And you start to become the expert in that particular field. And I wish I knew earlier, Sarah, to answer your question, that the best stuff to give away is your best stuff. If you're giving away your best stuff, they're like, oh, wow, they know their stuff. So I wish I knew that earlier. Give away your best stuff. I would send out flyers to every not-for-profit in town and say, we are running a 2-hour free workshop about sustainable funding. We'd get 100 people in the room, and I would do an express session on sustainable funding. But equally, it made my heart sing because there were 70 people in that room who now knew stuff they would have never had the opportunity to know had I not offered a free session. So that's one way that deliberate generosity can work.